go ahead and
Hey
try to add
everyone,
them in
welcome
here.
back to the channel. In
That the
today's video,
sticker
I'll show you how to add a clickable link on
is
Facebook
also
Marketplace. Let's
available
get started.
on our
First,
shop
open
link.
your Facebook app or go
Then
to
we're gonna go ahead and
facebook.com.
try to add them in
Tap or
here.
click the
The link
marketplace
or the
icon.
website, so we're just gonna paste it in
Then
here,
click
and
on
then we're gonna
create
go
new
ahead and click
listing.
onto next,
Choose
and
item for
then we're gonna go
sale.
ahead and
Now
publish the
fill in
item.
the required
So that
details.
post or that
Photos,
listing should have a
title,
clickable link
price,
onto your shop,
category,
and that's just basically
condition,
onto adding
and
a
any
clickable link
other relevant
onto your
info.
Facebook
Since
Marketplace.
Facebook
And if you
Marketplace
think this
doesn't
has been
offer
helpful
a
to you,
dedicated
don't
field
forget to
for
hit the
links,
like,
you'll need to
subscribe, and we'll
manually
see you
paste
onto
the
our
link
next
into
video.
your product description. Once you're done filing everything out, click Next, then publish your listing. Your listing should now include a clickable link in the description, directing users to your website or shop. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.